Hi, I'm Justin Erb and I own and operate ERB Excavation here in Cheyenne. What I like to do most in Cheyenne is probably just enjoy the festivities, get outdoors, hike, fish. Curt Gowdy State Park's a good place to go, do some elk hunting and stuff like that. Cheyenne has been home for the last 2 years, but it's been a cornerstone of my life for the last 15. I have a lot of family here, the low cost of living, and the small town feel has made it a no-brainer to buy my first house here. Living in Cheyenne has been a great place to raise my family and enjoy the outdoors. With Cheyenne's rapid growth, it has given me the opportunity to start a small excavation business and just focus on new house construction and digging and backfilling foundation walls and septic system installations, driveway grading, and I'm excited to call Cheyenne home for the foreseeable future and help with its growth.